Invităm alături de noi pe Yuchen Guo, General Manager, China Unicom, o primă prezență, să zicem, în spațiul telecom din România.
Un mare operator telecom din China.
Plenty of robots in your booth at Mobile World Congress. Why are they dancing so nice there? Yeah, what are they trying to do? You have the floor, so please share with us what you have presented at Mobile World Congress.
Okay. So China Unicom Group, perhaps for most of you haven't been that familiar to our company, so a brief introduction. We are a major telecommunication operator in China, and we are doing also a wide range of business overseas. So China Unicom Global have 40 branches over the world, and here I represent the Romanian branch, and we have 8 branches in Europe. Our headquarter, European, is in the UK.
How many people in China? Subscriber? No?
I think 600 million, in China. And here in Romania, we haven't got the same scale as Orange, but we have a similar scope as Orange. So we are providing layer 2, layer 3 global connections. We are providing data centers, cloud services. We also here, related to the MWC, we are also working with local operators, working with Huawei, Siemens, Ericsson to provide digital transformation solutions to different kind of business, and I will represent it here today. Yes. What we are finding is that nowadays we have a vibrant global business environment, and the major players across the world, they are looking for lower costs across the world. So overseas parks, factories, to get closer to the customer, to have lower energy costs, to have lower labor costs, drive these companies to do business overseas. And in this background, we have in different areas across the world, they are interested in some different subjects. For example, in Asia Pacific, the major subject is industrial clustering and logistics coordination and the production scheduling, for example. And in Europe, we have more difficulties for companies to make production process optimization and cross-border data compliance and supply chain coordination, for example. We found also is, despite in different areas across the world, they have different subjects, but they are facing similar difficulties. That is, so the production and the operating cost control, which is related to the manpower, to the labor cost, to the also to the recruitment and the local labor skills. And the second is improving the production efficiency. So how to use the new technology to improve the production efficiency. It's a major subject. The third is about the production safety risks. So we are facing environmental risk. We have local, so geographic environments that are different from one from another, but also related to the technique part in the production. And the fourth is the compliance risk. You know, we are in Europe, we are strict in terms of compliance, and different countries have different legislations that make us to consider about it. Based on China Unicom, so 5G, AI, and different experience accumulated across the world, we have this Qingtian intelligent solution. So what consists of this solution? It is built on a dual engine driven by 5G and AI technology. So the 5G part, we suggest 2 solutions. So in the lower part, the button part of this graph, we provide 5G either a 5G hybrid network which can balance a little bit the cost and efficiency, allowing low latency in like 1 to 5 milliseconds, which is critical for example, scenarios like autonomous driving and automations of etc. And also we suggest another solution is a 5G independent network, which can ensure a whole and maximum security. Here's what we have as a typical proposition. So a global industrial AIoT platform, which can be centered, for example, in the headquarters of the client, and they can have edge nodes across the world in different countries, and this structure will make the manufacturer that can meet the compliance locally, but also to operate in a global scale. And here's several testimonials. The first one is Media Group. Media Group is one of the major brands that we have in white, how to say it, like refrigerators and so on. And they're building a factory, some factories in Asia Pacific part, and what we have done with them is to make real 5G+AI, so industry 4.0 concept to come true. So the full autonomous application of AI quality inspection and logistic AGVs that are being controlled remotely, and also energy monitoring, equipment status monitoring, and asset management that are centered to make a whole solution. The second case is Smart Mine in South Africa. PMG Mine is located in South Africa, 600 kilometers from Johannesburg. What's interesting here is that with the implementation of 5G, they have used unmanned mining trucks. So unmanned with no drivers, mining trucks that are driving across this mine. And secondly, the 5G plus safety production and operation monitoring system in order to make everything safe. So the result is a 40% increase in mining transportation efficiency and 60% less accident. And the third case is 5G plus smart warehousing in the Middle East that we provide to JD.com, a major player in e-commerce area. And what we have achieved is a 5G plus AGV vehicles that running in the warehouse, a 5G intelligent sorting, so with the low latency and the camera and the algorithms behind this production line, the sorting is done automatically. And 5G plus safe operation, I'll skip that. And the result is 50% of warehouses area that we economize, and the 40% of labor cost economized. And this is a European case. So the AI plus 5G smart port in Greece, Piraeus port, yeah, in Greece. And this is a case that we have collaborated with Huawei. This is a port related to the Belt and Road Initiative. So we want to contribute to this project. And the first result is a 5G plus intelligent cargo handling. And
you and Huawei in combination, this is a solution.
Yeah. Yes, it's a solution. collaborated with Huawei. And the second is remote control of gantry cranes. So the crane drivers do not need to get on the tower anymore. They can sit in looking at the screens and to control the cranes in the office and even control multiple cranes in the same time. And this is a big increase of efficiency. So what we are working on is first the technology innovations in the solutions that we can provide to different sectors, but also model innovations that based on the platform and to customize to different scenarios that our customer needs, and also converged solution that we work with different partners like operators, like equipment providers. We are also doing researches. So we have founded in Hong Kong a innovation research institute, and we are also expanding our cases across the world, and we determined ourselves to build a good ecosystem with no matter which partners that can contribute together to build a better, a great digitalized world. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Yuchen Guo. Sure. Do you see Romania as a peripheral market or a potential regional hub in this region?
Yes, we see Romania as an important region that have great potential of growth, because Romania is a country that have good nature resources, good labor forces, and good good geographic positioning, and this makes Romania having a great potential to growth. We believe also that with the implementation of new technologies, that we can achieve more in Romania.
What is your focus in Romania, or your company focus in Romania in this year?
Okay, in this year, we are. First, we are proposing this, so we also like to have a similar project that initiated with our partners. Secondly, we are operating a call center, as I mentioned. We are doing also good call center, AI plus call center with new technology to economize and improve the quality of the services. Yes, and also we are also suggesting eSIM solutions to perhaps some partners who are interested with, and that's it.
Which are your clients in Romania, and what kind of services are you providing?
Okay. Okay. So the biggest one is Honor, the mobile phone brand, who use us as the major service provider for their call center. Honor, the smartphone brand. Okay. And more is I think M-Connect, a telecommunication operator overseas, to purchase us black fibers, yes, across Asia Pacific.
So the second, if it's possible, you said industrial park. Let me know if I understood well. Industrial park is an economic area, a factory, for instance, in which you are providing a private network, for instance, with 4 or 5G technology in order to help them to improve their activity. Is it true?
Yes, of course. These cases are true, and you can even visit to see.
So you will compete with Orange, which also could provide.
Yes, in some range we are competing, but we are also
with
collaborating.
Vodafone, which is not here.
Yes, also cooperation. Yes.
How are you going to operate in Europe?
Yes, it's very different because in China we are the major operators, so we have many subscribers that supports the basic of our business. But here in Europe, we must give out the strength part. So, for example, global connections, because we have international submarine cables backbones, which supports our global connection capabilities. For example, we have 3 MVNO across the world. So the first one is in Hong Kong. So we are 4 MVNO in Hong Kong, and 1 in Japan, 1 in Singapore.